it's Joe Pinoy. So today we're gonna be doing some simple craft. We're gonna be using some acrylic paint here and a regular thread right there, and also copy paper there. So we're gonna be using that to make the flower we're gonna attempt. So let's try and do it. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start making our craft. So we're gonna make our paper the long way because we're gonna make 2 flowers. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in all different colors. Here I have red, blue, yellow. You can't see the green and the white, but I'm gonna dip it in. Make sure you have the thread coated nicely because you want that color to be on that paper when we try to make the flower. So we have the red, there we have the blue, and then I know you guys can see it, it have the green one in there and the white one and the yellow one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my first flower. So make sure when you guys are putting down the thread, it is close together, not so tight close, but close together. So when you pull this thread, you can see a nice effect on that particular flower that we're trying to attempt to make with this art. Okay, so here we go, we're done with that. So now let's work with the other flower, the other side. So you guys did it that way on that one, so when you try to make it on the other side, start from the other side. See how I started? There you go. So it's kind of like facing each other. Okay, see how close I put it together, because if you put too much space, you're not going to have a nice effect of the flower that we're trying to attempt to make. Okay, so now we put the other sheet on top. Okay, and we are using a box to put the pressure. You can actually use a book too, but I'm using this box. It has something inside to kind of like give me the pressure. So we gotta push it down a little bit, not so much pressure, guys, so you guys can pull the thread nicely. So here we go. And then on the end, you gotta make sure you hold on the bottom part and pull it. Okay, now let's try and do it again on the other flower. So a little pressure, you pull it. Okay, and then you hold it down, then you put a little pressure on the bottom so that you can get that part right there. It kind of look like a stick or something. So here we go, let's open it. Open it up, let's see if we make it. Yes, we did. Here's our flower, guys. So it's as simple as that. A very simple arts and crafts that you guys can teach the kids, putting it together. And yes, look at it, guys. And if you guys get good at it, you can actually use a canvas paper or canvas to make the flower. You can put maybe 3 or 4 and then pull it down the same time, or pull it one at a time, and you'll see a nice effect, and you guys can actually use it as a display on the wall. It's a very simple arts and crafts, but it looks really fancy, guys. So there you have it. Very simple arts and crafts that you guys can put together. You guys can also use different colors too. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Much mahalo. Aloha. Salamat po.